Hello everyone, and welcome back to the STEM key. In our previous lesson, we learned how to find the perimeter of regular shapes such as squares and rectangles. Today, we're going to take it a step further and learn how to find the perimeter of irregular shapes. But first, let's remind ourselves what perimeter means. Perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a shape. To find the perimeter, we simply add the lengths of all the sides together. Now, let's see how this works with irregular shapes. Take a look at this shape. Notice that the sides are not all the same length, and the shape is not a square or a rectangle. The side lengths are 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. To find the perimeter, we add all the side lengths together. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 14 plus 6 equals 20. Therefore, the perimeter of this irregular shape is 20 centimeters. Let's try another example. This time we have an L-shaped figure. The side lengths are 6 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Remember, we need to travel around the outside of the shape and add every side. 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 22. So the perimeter of this shape is 22 centimeters. Now let's look at a slightly different problem. This irregular shape has one missing side length. We know the other side lengths are 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 2.5 centimeters. By carefully looking at the shape, we can determine that the missing side is 4 centimeters. Now let's calculate the perimeter. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2.5 plus 4 equals 20.5. So the perimeter is 20.5 centimeters. Before we finish, let's talk about a common mistake. Many students accidentally miss a side when calculating the perimeter. To avoid this, start at one corner and trace your finger around the outside edge of the shape. Add each side only once until you return to where you started. Now it's your turn. Can you find the perimeter of this irregular shape with side lengths of 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 2 centimeters? Pause the video and try it yourself. Let's check the answer. 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 equals 29. So the perimeter of the shape is 29 centimeters. Great work today. Remember, finding the perimeter of an irregular shape is simple. Just add the lengths of all the sides around the outside of the shape. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the STEM key with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.